got a grab. I believe this one's at the office. The best I can tell, this car is illegally parked or something to that effect. Not exactly sure. There's a Tahoe up here. I believe it was a Tahoe. That's all I know. I'm gonna have to call somebody real quick. Make a quick phone call. I think it's parked in a handicapped spot or no parking zone, and right by the front office of this property. Let me let you go. That's gonna be a hard one to get. It's gonna be a tough car to get right there. I'm gonna have to do some real finagling to get this car out. We got chains on it. Not a handicap. This is a handicap cheater right here. Parked in a handicap space. Hey, Doc. I got that that handicap spot. They've been parking there a lot.
Yeah.
Well, I bet they don't park there again.
Yeah, they park there almost every day.
Well,
but usually
sometimes you gotta learn the hard way.
Where do I sign?
Anywhere down there's fine.
But usually when I put a sticker on there, they're already gone.
Yeah.
So.
Well, you know what? They'll come get it, man. They'll figure it out.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're pulling out. We got it. I guess you heard the girl in the office. I wanted to. I can't put the office personnel on here, but I can put the story of what happened. This guy, or girl, whoever, whichever one it may be, has been parking in that handicap spot on numerous occasions, and they got yanked. Anyway, obviously we're back at the yard. Here's the Cadillac I brought in a minute ago. Now here's the handicap cheater we got. Anyway, we bagged another one. I love getting these handicap cheaters. Anyway, stay tuned. Anyway, we're rolling in here. We got a construction project going on. It appears they got a couple cars that are in the way that they won't yanked. So that's what we're fixing to do. She got another one? Okay, so this one next. It's been stickered twice. Somebody ain't getting the message. See this car right here was stickered right there, stickered again, and that's what happens. What I'm doing here, I'm unlocking this car. I'm gonna roll this car back where I can get to the front end of it and get it off the property. In the meantime, somebody could come out here and catch me in their car. There it is. Now we're gonna push it. I'm gonna push it back. What's going on, man?
Hey, what's up?
I don't know. They told me to tow it because it was in the way.
In the way?
Yeah, they got to stripe that, man. They're striping.
This is mine, yeah.
Yeah.
Why are you towing it? What?
Hey, they're doing paving, man. They're doing that side. They're spraying the parking lot, man.
This part is already done. You can just go ahead, move your car over there.
Okay.
A little closer that way.
But hey, this is the way it works, man. I'm not fastened to it, so you lucked out. If I was fastened, you'd have to pay it out.
All right, well, the
Yeah.
apartment complex needs to let us know.
Well, they do. They can and they do. It happens all the time, man. They probably sent an email or something. I know they sent something out. They have to send something out. They got proof they sent it out, or they wouldn't be able to tow. Anyway, hey, it worked out well. It worked out well for you, man. I mean, I'm.
Shit on it.
Say what?
Dumped a bunch of shit on it. Don't know what's
I don't know what that's from. It's probably dust. No, that's dirt, man. That's just dirt.
I know it's dirt.
Where'd it come from?
I don't know. I was parked right there.
It's probably splattering off the hill or something. Who knows, man? I don't think nobody dumped it intentional. Unfortunately, that did not go the way I wanted it to, and I ended up not getting the impound even after I moved the vehicle. But he didn't flip out. He stayed pretty calm. I thought he was getting ready to get snotty, which it does happen a lot. I think people get real pissy about their car, especially when you move their car. But he held it together, man, and he got lucky. I didn't have that wheel lift bar hooked. If it would have been hooked, he would have been paying $100. That's the way it works. Anyway, I gotta drag this this other car out. I gotta pull it around. It's not gonna be an easy pull, but I'll get it loaded. Needless to say, we got those two loaded up, man. She's got more that we're gonna come back and get. But I'm gonna cut the camera now. Ain't no reason to keep it running. I got the cars. We had one. We lost one. I hate we lost that one impound. I never got a wheel lift bar on it. If I'd have been driving a UD, I would have got another $100 because I wouldn't have been fiddling around with this truck here. I wouldn't have been playing around, man. I get them cars a lot quicker with a UD. Anyway, that's enough yapping. We got what we came for. We're gonna sign them out, man, and roll to the yard. We'll see what's happening at the yard over there. Anyway, don't go nowhere. Anyway, we're back at the yard. This gentleman right here with Ruby. I guess he's got a payout. Must have paid his car out. There is some people do show up to get their cars. It's just not that. It's really not that common. I know that sounds strange that people don't show back up to get their cars. They really don't. That's the reason the yard's got so many cars in here. I mean, look how many cars are on this daggone lot, man. Anyway, the young lady that owns this Chevy Cruze, she's in the office right now with Ruby, and she came to pay it out. But she knew that the cars were going to get towed if they were parked in front of that building. The only thing is, she didn't know which side to park on, and she mistakenly parked on the wrong side. And she came out this morning to take her sister to work, and her car was towed. She said, "I know it's y'all's job to tow cars." And she had a really good attitude about it, and she wasn't worried. That's the kind of situations I really wish I wouldn't have towed her car, but at the same time, I can't say that. I wish she wouldn't have parked in the wrong spot. If she wouldn't have parked in the wrong spot, she wouldn't have got towed. All I can do is tow the cars they tell me to tow, and hers happened to get towed. All right, anyway, I'm gonna roll to my next one. Stay tuned.